先買㗎啦。嗰度個湯米，哇！隻屌佢啊！唔知我啲包全部跌咗落地下，佢慢啦係嘛
？What just happened?
Dumb bitch just fucking hit me.
They don't tell. I usually don't get the answer.
Oh!
Until right at the last second. So I'm on the edge of my seat too.
Holy.
It doesn't do anything except create distrust.
Seriously.
Wow. Oh my God, Dad.
Yeah.
Is he for real?
I guess. I've never seen road rage like that before.
I'm a little bit
That's okay.
uncomfy.
Yeah,
That's
me
all right.
too. He's just staring us down.
Dude.
Come over, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Charlie? Whoa.
Of course.
Really?
Of course you're gonna do that.
Come on.
Roy, il joue un peu plus à l'extérieur présentement. Puis si tu veux compter des buts, là, faut que tu ailles au filet. Le dernier match, il a passé proche de compter 2-3 buts. Alors je pense que ça s'en vient. Il est plus impliqué, il gagne plus de batailles. Puis
Jouer à l'extérieur, on aime ça. Avec Jean-François, je l'avais dit.
The person that sold you the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh, oh, Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
And I heard the wheel squeaking.
The fucking car's wheel just came off and this motherfucker's driving away. What the fuck are you doing, dude? He's driving on his fucking rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just fucking took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on fucking video.
Yeah. Oh! Got that one. Gray car. What? Oh. Jesus.
Because if I get into a deadly situation, I don't want to be. Yo! What the? What a dumbass. You good? Yeah, I booked them up for you. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes.
Somebody just told me.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, we were at a red light and the person in front of me didn't move, but the guy behind me did. He's really nice. We're pulling over to a CVS. I don't think there's any damage.
Tôi